Welcome to the channel. Came for a mobile job, basically non-start car, VW Tiguan 2010 model. We'll see what's happened there. First of all, I'm going to enter to car and try. Ignition on, wipers working. Right, if you have a vehicle problem like this, don't go into panic. This is the bonnet opener. I'm going to open the bonnet. Right, open the bonnet. Right, first thing, I'm going to check the battery. Basically, by experience, I know this battery basically not good. I'm going to check with my battery meter and multimeter. I know the problem, that's why I bring it my jump pack. However, I'm going to show you. This is my multimeter. We'll see how about the battery voltage. Positive to positive, negative to negative. You can see it's 12.6 there. Voltage there, but cranking power, I feeling it's very low. What I'm going to do now, you can see 12.6 there. I'm going to start the car, have a look what happened to the multimeter. You saw it's dropped down. Now we know the problem, cranking voltage not enough. Then after that, I'm going to use my battery tester. Positive to positive, negative to negative. This battery power, I think like a 650. I'm going to check. Battery test, regular part, CCA, enter. You can see battery health 11%, battery charger 32%. Replace the battery. I knew this battery faulty. Now I'm going to do the jump start. Positive to positive line, negative to negative line. Don't going to mix up the lines. Power on. Then I'm going to start the car. Basically what happened that my jump starter not enough power. Basically this car has a faulty battery. I'm going to advise to the customer, need to change this battery. Sometime I can show you how I'm going to change the battery. At the moment I'm going to stop the video from here. Basically this car need a new battery. Went to the battery shop and we bought the battery. This is the tool we need for this job. Now I'm going to show you how we are going to change the battery. First of all, we need to remove 13 mil nut there behind this battery. If you won't reach, you can little bit move here. You can see underneath here, straight underneath here, 13 mil one. Right, I'm going to remove that one. Make sure you can put your hands underneath here and hold the nut. Don't go into yourself. Right, that's one out. We have to remove this bracket and this one 13mm head. Leave it out of the way. Now after that, I'm going to remove the battery negative line first. I'm using my gun. If you're not sure, you can use the ratchet. It's not a problem. Right. Negative line out and leave it out of the way. After that, you need to disconnect positive line. Right. Now both lines out. I can remove the battery now. After that, what you need to do, remove this cover, compare new battery and old battery, make sure same size, positive positive, negative negative, same height. Now after that, I am going to install this cover. Right, next step, I am going to install battery to battery casing. Right, it's in now. After that, I'm still leave with these two plastic covers. Then I'm going to connect this battery holding bracket. Again, need to go behind this air duct. Don't going to drop inside. If you drop inside, you need to remove underneath tray and little bit work there. Be careful. Take your own time and do it with gently manner. Right. Next step, I am going to connect positive line first. Do with the steady hand. Make sure all the way in. Just tiny tap. Right. After that, I am going to leave open passenger side door if it, any case car will locked. And after that, I am going to connect negative line. Right, now you need to do with bit steady hand. Right, that's it. Right, now leave it everything as it is. Then I'm going to inside the car. We'll see how it's going to be start. One shot, it start. You can see in this side power steering sign on, this side traction control light on. What we have to do, we have to take to the road test, drive 5 miles per hour, then this light will disappear. I'll ask to customer to take to the road test. Once she come back, I'll show you what happened inside the light. I'm going to leave it everything as it is. I'm not worried at the moment. I'm going to keep the running the car and I'm going to check battery. How is the voltage there? I'm going to check with the multimeter. It needs to be over 14.5 if vehicle has a good alternator. You can see 14.2928. Yeah, that's mean the alternator doing the good job. Then I'm asked customer to take to the road test and come back. You can see as it is, she went to the road test, came back, all funny light disappeared. I had to reset this clock. Apart of that, everything fine. If you have like this problem, you know how to check your battery, how to jump start, how to change. Follow this video, you can learn lot of useful things. Please subscribe and follow my channel. You can get lot of useful video and tips like this. Thank you.